Okay, it's recording.
Alright, check her out again. She's like, no, I don't want to check it out again. I'm worried about it now.
Boo-boo. 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 Boo-bonito. You want to take her off the leash?
Do you want me to?
No, take off the leash. Let her look around. Move.
I don't want you to get killed.
Trixie! Trixie!
Don't want
Good
you
girl!
to
Come here, Trixie! Come here, Trixie!
Debbie, don't make her kill Boo Boo.
She's got something about to go on. She won't get it. Come here, Trixie! Good girl!
Because she's the only cat I like.
She's scared
That's
of
fuzzy.
Good girl, Trixie! Good girl!
I wonder what song you're gonna bring next.
Good job!
Maybe buttons.
Buttons is fine with cats. Like, I leave the
My
cat.
belly! Last time,
Hi.
the dog's biting.
Yeah, my dogs we don't that much. He's like super old.
Don't forget the ball.
No.
Wow, even if he doesn't know how to hug him. Mom, can I hold him? Can I hold him?
Good job, Trixie.
Like it in the pillow.
Good girl.
Good job, Trixie.
Why does she got
I gotta go
that
down
on?
here. There you go.
Just to make sure she doesn't
Good
bite somebody when
girl.
she gets scared.
That's a good girl.
By somebody, I mean ferret, cat, not human.
That's a good girl. Yes,
Don't
you
forget
are.
the ferret.
Look at the kitty cat behind you.
Oh, keep going. Mama, Mama.
Good job, Trixie.
Mama, please.
Come home later. That's my kitty.
Whoa.
Just a stuff.
Yes, Mommy. It's okay. Bubbles coming with you.
Pretty sure. If she goes, like 2 weeks
Right.
when he was out of the crate, if she gets used to the cat.
Yeah.
John, you can lift your nose. He does it with the other ones too.
I bet she loves living with cheeks. Oh, this is one tree I got in my pocket. Here's no treats. Let me have some more. Sit.
Tell her to sit.
Sit. Good girl. Now you earn a treat. Now you earn it.
Honest? John, you can lift your nose. He does it with the other ones too.
I'm leaving.
It's like, that's a dog I don't recognize. Let me back out of the house real quick. Raised by
Ayasha.
Ayasha. He'll get on his back and
Sunshine.
be submissive.
Sunny.
She's more interested in the hiding ones than the ones that are
You're
out.
not coming in my room. I'll close it just in case you're going to go.
I think she's the same. She has the same behavior as Big Boy has. Trixie!
Let me keep the other one so it's handy for the great quick
You're fine.
Why is it I can't pet her?
Not in her. You can't get your face in her face.
Oh, Sunny. Suck up.
Come on, son.
Such a good girl. Shake. Good girl. Can you go down? No, down. Down. Good girl.
Can I take
Sit.
the video next? Can I take the next video?
Check.
Debbie.
No.
Good girl. Check. Good girl. Good girl. And up. No, up. Come here. Sit. Check. Check. No. Check.
She's like, what?
This side.
What?
Come on. Check. Make Trixie.
I'll try every trick
Trixie!
I know.
Sit. Good girl!
But I got confused, so I thought I'd try them all.
Different hand, different shake. Shake. Good girl. Shake. Good girl. Where's the kitty cat? It's my kitty. Be a good girl. Be a good girl.
Oh, stop, Sonny.
Good girl, Trixie.
My kitty. No. My kitty.
She'd only tighten the leash up once, though. More like, I don't know what the heck that thing is growling at me in the corner. Could be dangerous. I better
Yes.
send it away. Once she sent it away, she was fine.
What was better dog? Oh, cat.
Yeah.
That's the